But like I said, it ain't really too much body work I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna sand it down. This is what needs to be fixed, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that myself. So I'm gonna probably just leave that alone. I'm gonna just probably sand this down and then prime this one. Maybe throw a little bit of Bondo on it. It might not need no Bondo because I don't really see no dents on this fender. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just sand this down and then prime it. I'm gonna pull the trim, like I said, I'm gonna pull the trims off, pull that trim off, and pull the corner light out, and the little bracket part that holds the corner light, pull that out as well. This is everything I got. So got a Harbor Freight paint gun, and this is the same paint gun my dad used to just prime his truck. Y'all see a little bit of primer still there. He just primed his truck not too long ago, a couple months ago, and yeah, here it goes. So I'm gonna have to call him and get him to tell me how I should adjust the gun, if I should pull it back to make it open or have it closed and all that type of stuff, up and down. So basically I'm gonna just have to test it out myself too. So I'm gonna just do like a little spray in the air or something to see how it's spraying out. So what's up guys, it's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now this video we're not gonna be doing no work, even though the last few videos I have, and I'm loving my box Chevy now, y'all. I'm telling you right now, I am loving this box Chevy. But this video, you feel me, I'm just gonna be showing y'all my materials and stuff. Y'all seen the title, thumbnail, and everything. Basically show y'all everything that I got to get ready to paint, or not even paint, to prime my two fenders. So if y'all did not know, I went ahead and changed my fenders. For one, the original fenders that was on here, they were cut, and why spend the headache trying to fix where they was cut when I just go ahead and find some replacement fenders. So I ended up finding these fenders at two different junkyards. The first fender I got was the brown one. Didn't have no corner and light, but I always wanted corner and lights on my box Chevy. So I told myself, if I find another one with the corner and light, I'm gonna jump on it and grab it. But yeah, I got the brown fender first. Didn't have no corner and light, so I custom made it. I cut out the hole for it, got everything I needed, the bracket, the corner light, head housing, and the trim. You feel me? Got everything I needed to make my own corner light, and we ended up doing that on the brown fender. Now the little blue one, it came with a corner light, so the only thing I had to do was get the different trim. You feel me? So yeah, like I said, this video I'm gonna be basically showing y'all, we're gonna have to do a little body work on the fenders, and I'm gonna pull all the trims off. I'm gonna put the corner lights out, and we're gonna prime the fenders. Now I'm not gonna be doing it in this video or today. I'm gonna try and wait till next weekend. I was trying to wait till after the motor swap got done. The motor swap's supposed to happen within the next like 2 days. So yeah, I'm trying to wait till after the motor swap get done. Then we're gonna prime the fenders, we're gonna paint the frame, we're gonna do all that, you know what I'm saying? But until then, and I'm also paint my calipers. I'm gonna do them probably yellow, you feel me? Because my secondary color, I want to have like a gold pearl. So instead of doing gold brakes, I don't think that'll look good. I'm gonna do yellow, and I think blue and yellow looks really good together, you feel me? Look at my antifreeze bottle, blue and yellow look pretty good. So I'm gonna do yellow brakes on here, you feel me? So we're gonna paint those as well. And even though I want to change my drums in the back to disc brakes, I'm gonna paint the drums just for now until I get the disc brakes, you feel me? So yeah, like I said, this video I'm gonna be doing is showing y'all all my materials I got to get ready to prime my fenders. And I also already got the chassis paint, so I got to paint like I said, paint the frame. We're gonna do that as well, but like I said, later on, probably next weekend, if not the weekend after that. So yeah, let's go and get out the car. I'm gonna show y'all everything I got, which everything is in the back seat, and we're gonna move on from there. So y'all stay tuned. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on all, where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together, and I'll catch y'all once I get outside. All right, y'all, so if y'all did not know, this will not be my first time painting a car with actual paint gun. I helped my dad paint my Charger, which was my first car I ever got. So I helped him paint that car, and yeah, I somewhat know what I'm doing. I'm not gonna say I'm a professional or nothing, but I say I could do a pretty decent job. And like I said, I'm not painting this car myself. I don't think I am. Maybe I will, but I don't know. But I just want to prime the fenders at least, so they don't be two different colors. At least they'll be one color which would be gray. I got gray primer. So yeah, but like I said, it ain't really too much body work I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna sand it down. This is what need to be fixed, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to do that myself, so I'm gonna probably just leave that alone. I'm gonna just probably sand this down and then prime this one. Maybe throw a little bit of Bondo on it. It might not need no Bondo because I don't really see no dents on this fender. So yeah, I think I'm gonna just sand this down and then prime it. I'm gonna pull the trim, like I said, I'm gonna pull the trims off, pull that trim off, and pull the corner light out, and the little bracket part that holds the corner light, pull that out as well. I might take these off and prime these as well. And like y'all know, I got all 4 of them, that side, passenger side, and then both the rears. So I might pull them off and prime them as well. If not, I'm gonna just leave them alone. But I definitely want, like I said, want to get these fenders because they 2 different colors. Which this fender kind of is close to this, the original box Chevy color. But yeah, I definitely want to prime these. I'm gonna have to take that little trim piece off, pull that trim off. Like I said, the wheel well trim. But yeah, this one don't look like it need no body work, but the other side do need a little bit of Bondo to straighten it out because it got like a dent here. Now I'm gonna have to get this. Y'all know this just comes off, so I'm gonna pick this off with like a razor blade or something and get that off. It's just that little trim, and then I'm gonna have to pull this trim off as well. And then the wheel well trim, the corner light, like I said, this is the one I custom made myself, cut it out and everything. But yeah, this fender don't really need too much body work either. Just I'm gonna put a little bit of Bondo here and then have this panel straight. Yeah, this fender don't really need much body work either. Like I said, just that dent there, and I'm gonna pull this pinstripe off. I don't really see, because all the body lines look straight. Yeah, even looking through the camera in person and everything looks straight. Don't look like it need no body work. But like I said, we're gonna pull all the trims off, and this is everything I got. So got a Harbor Freight paint gun, and this is the same paint gun my dad used to just prime his truck. Y'all see a little bit of primer still there. He just primed his truck not too long ago, a couple months ago, and yeah, here it goes. So I'm gonna have to call him and get him to tell me how I should adjust the gun, if I should pull it back to make it open or have it closed and all that type of stuff, up and down. So basically I'm gonna just have to test it out myself too. So I'm just do like a little spray in the air or something to see how it's spraying out. So yeah, this is the paint gun we got. I got an electric sander. Went to his shop and grabbed this. I'm gonna have to go get some pads and stuff, some sand pads, so we're gonna use this and we're gonna scuff up the fender. You know what I'm saying? Look at scuffing it up. So that's 2 things. And if we come back here, got my masking stuff. Y'all know I already got masking tape. I got a scooper, which I also have another scooper in this bag for the Bondo. Got a big one. This is for like wraps and stuff. Razor blade for wraps. This for wraps. Got more razor blades, more razor blades. Yeah, I don't know where it's at. What is this? Oh, measuring tape. Yeah, I don't know where it's at. It might be in my toolbox already, but I already got a scooper for the Bondo. I got 2 things of Bondo, which I'm gonna be saving one for the Cutlass, because I'm gonna do a little bit of body work on the Cutlass when I get that back as well. I might go ahead and prime that front header panel as well for my Cutlass, but not whenever I get ready to prime these fenders. And this is another jug of Bondo, and the hardener is in the top part. I don't know if y'all can see in there. Y'all see that little shadow there? That little shadow is the hardener for the Bondo, and this one got the hardener inside it as well, I think. Yeah, see, the hardener is already inside right here. So tight. Good. There you go. Alright, so like I said, body filler Bondo. Same thing here, Bondo. So we got both of those, and I got an extra thing of hardener right here. See, hardener. And a few sandpapers. What grit is this? I don't see it. Say fine. So I guess that's all it is, fine grit. 300. I think that's what it is, 300 grit. yeah, I don't know, but this is some extra sanding pads that my dad had. He told me I could use those. If not, I'm gonna go to the store and get some more, get like 120 grit all the way up to like 1,000 grit. So I spent about $60 on sandpaper. And like I said, I got this scooper, which this is what he was using. He left the Bondo on there, so I'm gonna have to try to get that off. And here go the primer, gray primer. Oh, see, gray primer that he had got from Ollie's for me. So I don't have to spend no money on no primer, which is good. High build, sandable, fights rust, which is really good. And I don't think I gotta put no parts with this. I think I just put this in the paint gun and go ahead and spray it. I don't know, I read the instructions, but like I said, I've painted a car before. We didn't prime my Charger. We just sanded it down and we sprayed it because we was in a rush. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna watch a few videos before I actually do this project, just so I can make sure I'll do everything correctly. I don't want to do nothing and mess it up, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna watch videos, see how people do it, see what grit they use and everything, so I don't just go waste the money, you know? So like I said, I'm gonna watch what they do, and yeah, we're gonna body work. We don't even need a lot of Bondo for the fenders because they're not bad. It's just, like I said, that one dent. So we're gonna do the body work just a little bit, and then we're gonna prime it. So it's gonna be y'all first time getting able to watch me to use the paint gun. But like I said, it's not my first time using one. I've done this before, just not prime. I've painted before, and I thought it came out pretty good. My Charger looks okay. You know, it ain't the best paint job, but for somebody who don't do this professionally, it definitely looks good. And like I said, the only reason why I'm doing this without just sending it to a paint shop and let them do it is because I'm gonna have my car for a little bit longer, you know? I'm not gonna send it to a paint shop just yet. So got all my materials and stuff. And the only thing I gotta do is go to Walmart and get the little bag covers so I can cover up most of the car, so no overspray and nothing to get on the car or on the wheels. So yeah, that's all the materials I got. And then I also got, like I told y'all before, the converts rust to paintable surface and the chassis paint. So we got that. We're gonna be doing that project as well. But yeah, man, like I said, not my first time doing it, but I'm definitely gonna watch a few videos before I do it, just so I can make sure everything is right. And I can also just go and get my dad, tell him come and either help me or guide me through it on the phone while I'm painting, you feel me? And I could just do like a time lapse of me painting. That way y'all don't have to watch exactly everything I do, you feel me? Maybe I'll go get a brand new SIM card and just use that whole SIM card for me doing the body work and painting, and just do like a time lapse, you know? So like I said, I'm gonna watch a few more videos. I've been watching some videos on people painting and stuff and seeing how they doing it, just so I can get an idea of how to actually do this, you know? Like I said, I painted before. I used a paint gun before. I didn't adjust it. All I did was spray. So like I said, that's why I want to watch a few videos, just so I can make sure I get everything down right, so the paint will lay down good and everything will be good. You feel me? So like I said, we just gonna be priming. I'm not painting this car, I don't think. Maybe I will. Maybe me and my dad will paint it, but yeah, only thing I want to do is prime it, just so I can have both the fenders the same color, so they don't be two different colors on the car. You feel me? People be saying I'm DJ from Hustle and Flow, my box Chevy is. So yeah, I'm just go ahead and prime the fender so it'll be close to this blue. You feel me? It'll be gray, which is, like I said, close to the blue of this car. This blue is like really bright, or really sky blue. So it'll be close to that gray, so it'll be somewhat matching in that same vicinity, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's what this video is about. Me just showing y'all my materials. Y'all can let me know what y'all think in the comments. Oh, and I know some of y'all might say something about an air compressor. I already know I gotta get an air compressor. I'm gonna get my uncle's and see if he'll let me use his, and we're gonna use his air compressor, and we're gonna prime the fenders right here where the car is sitting. You know what I'm saying? I painted my Charger in the backyard where this car were at this house, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go ahead and prime the fenders here. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video though, and yeah, show y'all one more time all the materials. Like I said, we got the Bondo. I got masking tape already. I used it already in the last video if y'all didn't check it out. We got a few sandpapers. I'm gonna probably get some more grits. We got the primer, like I said, the Bondo, the paint gun, and the sander. I just got to go and get the air compressor and some of the plastic from Walmart so I can wrap up the rest of the car so no overspray get on anything I don't want it to get on, you know. So yeah, catch y'all in a second for the outro. Y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. Alright, so like I told y'all, man, it's a lot I'm still trying to do, which is why I'm pushing paint back to probably next year. You know what I'm saying? I'm not in a rush to get this car painted. I'm enjoying it just like it sits. You feel me? It could be 20 different colors and I'm gonna still enjoy it because this is my dream car. You know what I'm saying? Box Chevys just in general, it's always been my dream cars, and I finally got one, so I'm gonna enjoy it as long as possible regardless of how much I gotta put into it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're gonna be priming the fenders so they'll be somewhat close to all one color, the whole car, and we're just gonna keep pushing forward like that. You know, motor swap is coming, so that's why I'm waiting to prime the fender. I could have primed them tomorrow, but like I said, I want to do it after the motor swap is done. That'll be one less thing I got to worry about. We're gonna do the chassis paint. We're gonna do the caliper paint. I'm gonna get some yellow caliper paint and paint them yellow, which I think is gonna look so hard. You feel me? Especially with them big wheels on. And yeah, you feel me? It's a lot I'm still trying to do, a lot going on, and I'm having fun doing this. And then version 2.0, my daily, is finna start very soon. Y'all stay tuned for that. But yeah, man, it's grind don't stop, you know. So I just wanted to paint this car. Well, actually, yeah, I wanted to lay a little bit of something on this car just so I can say, yeah, I also helped paint this car myself, you know. So throwing the primer on the fenders could be one way of saying that for me. And I'm gonna do the frame like I told y'all. Y'all know I still gotta give me a custom set of wheels because I don't want them Versantes being the final setup. I wanna get 8s, but I'm gonna have to get some really thin rubber bands if I want to try to fit that, add 2 more inches on the wheels. So I'm gonna try and see what I can get done. But other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoy. I still gotta order a lot of stuff for the Cutlass. Gotta order a lot of stuff for the Charger, the 2.0 version, and maybe something else for the box Chevy. I don't know what else I really need to get for this car. You know, I figure something out besides my pillar. But yeah, I figure it out. You feel me? I'm gonna keep just looking at the car and enjoying it regardless. So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, the way y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together. It's the last video I'm gonna record for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back, probably record like 3 more again. I've been grinding, y'all. I've been really grinding. I think I recorded 5 today. Just today, I think I did. So yeah, I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless. Drive safe, and I will catch y'all in the next video, whatever it might be. Peace.